Welcome to Future Brain Tech, where we explore humanity's greatest advancements. Today, we journey into construction. For decades, construction has been one of the least automated sectors, relying heavily on human labor. But this paradigm is rapidly shifting before our very eyes.
The increasing demand for infrastructure, coupled with a global shortage of skilled labor, presents immense challenges. Safety concerns also remain paramount.
Dangerous jobs, once unavoidable, are now being re-evaluated through the lens of innovation. The imperative for automation has never been clearer. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous systems are no longer futuristic concepts. They are actively transforming missions. Enter the autonomous excavator, a marvel of engineering. These self-driving machines navigate fleece. Utilizing advanced GPS precision and sophisticated LiDAR navigation, these machines execute intricate digging plans. Machine vision systems guide their every movement, ensuring optimal material handling. They work tirelessly, day and night, transforming landscapes with precision. Imagine a construction site where heavy machinery coordinates automatically. This is the reality, driven by powerful AI path planning algorithms controlling every action. Collision avoidance systems, powered by deep learning, ensure safety on even the most dynamic sites, preventing accidents before they can occur.
These intelligent machines also optimize fuel consumption, significantly reducing operational costs and environmental impact, making construction more sustainable.
Moving from earthworks to structural integrity, robotic welding arms are revolutionizing how our towering structures take shape with unparalleled accuracy. This visually exciting process transforms raw steel into robust frameworks. Laser-guided systems ensure millimeter precision. With millimeter precision, these robots create weld seams of incredible quality, far exceeding human capability in consistency and speed.
Operating 24/7 without fatigue, these robotic welders ensure higher structural consistency across entire projects, building stronger, more resilient buildings.
This automation dramatically improves worker safety, shifting human roles from dangerous tasks to oversight and strategic management, fostering a safer environment. Now, witness concrete construction entering a new dimension. Robotic concrete printers are literally building structures from the ground up, layer by layer. These intelligent machines combine concrete printing with automatic rebar placement, ensuring structural integrity while accelerating the construction timeline significantly. Smart pouring systems then precisely distribute concrete, guided by sensors that monitor density and consistency in real time, optimizing the curing process. Automated quality control systems continuously scan the printed structures, detecting any imperfections or deviations immediately, ensuring flawless execution. Sensor-controlled curing processes maintain ideal conditions, leading to stronger, more durable concrete. This level of precision was once unimaginable.
Material optimization algorithms calculate the exact mixture needed, drastically reducing waste and maximizing resource efficiency across the entire construction project.
Once a laborious human task, inspections are now revolutionized by AI-powered robots. Quadruped robots navigate difficult terrain with ease.
Drone inspection systems provide aerial perspectives, scanning massive structures for defects that might be invisible to the human eye from the ground. Wall-climbing robots meticulously examine vertical surfaces, scrutinizing every inch for structural alignment, electrical installations, and potential flaws.
Equipped with thermal cameras, LiDAR scanning, and advanced computer vision, these robots detect anomalies with us.
From microscopic cracks in concrete to subtle misalignments in structural components, AI-powered defect detection leaves inspections that once took days for human teams can now be completed in mere hours, with significantly greater accuracy and comprehensive data. Beyond individual robots, imagine entire fleets of autonomous drones working in concert. These drone swarms conduct detailed site mapping, creating highly accurate 3D reconstructions of the terrain, essential for precise project. They track material movement across the site, ensuring that every component is exactly where it needs to be, preventing costly delays and inventory errors. Real-time progress monitoring provides project managers with invaluable insights, allowing for immediate adjustments and proactive problem-solving, enhancing overall efficiency. Safety surveillance is significantly enhanced, with drones identifying potential hazards or breaches in safety protocols. Hundreds of drones, guided by advanced AI flight coordination, perform intricate maneuvers, even in low-light conditions. This constant stream of data feeds into a larger, more profound concept: the digital twin. The digital twin is a living, breathing digital counterpart to every physical object on the construction site, a marvel of interconnected data and visualization. Every beam, every pipe, every bolt has a live digital representation, constantly updated with real-time sensor feeds, creating a dynamic, comprehensive overview.
AI simulations analyze this vast data stream, predicting potential issues with uncanny accuracy, allowing for predictive maintenance and proactive problem-solving.
Engineers can detect delays before they even happen, visualizing bottlenecks and optimizing workflows with an unprecedented level of foresight and control. Optimizing crane movements, managing material flow, and coordinating vast logistics become streamlined. The digital twin provides the ultimate command center. It even predicts equipment failures, allowing for timely maintenance and preventing costly downtime, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted progress on site.
Engineers can simulate entire construction sequences virtually, testing decisions in a risk-free environment before implementing them in the real world.
This virtual testing ground allows for unparalleled optimization and problem solving. Every design change, every material. The digital twin ensures seamless integration of all technologies, from autonomous excavators to drone swarms. It's the ultimate tool for managing mega projects, providing a single source of truth for all stakeholders, from initial design to final handover. This revolution isn't about replacing humans, but empowering them. It's about human and robot collaboration, reaching new heights of efficiency and safety. Operators now manage entire fleets of robots from remote control centers, shifting from manual labor to strategic oversight and decision-making, enhancing productivity. AI-assisted planning tools allow engineers and architects to explore design possibilities and optimize project schedules with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Humans shift from performing repetitive, hazardous tasks to managing strategy, ensuring safety, and making critical decisions, leveraging their unique cognitive abilities. This synergy allows us to tackle more ambitious projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction, fostering innovation and progress.
The future of construction is not just about automation, but about augmenting human potential, making work safer, smarter, and more rewarding for everyone.
This collaborative approach ensures human expertise remains at the forefront, guiding the machines to build our future with precision and purpose. Now, let's witness the culmination of these technologies, the building of an entire smart city, a testament to integrated automation and human ingenuity. Autonomous excavators meticulously prepare the ground, while robotic welders assemble massive steel frameworks with speed and unparalleled accuracy, transforming the landscape.
Concrete printing robots construct intricate bridge components and structural elements, while drone swarms continuously map and monitor progress, providing real-time updates.
Underground, advanced robots construct subway tunnels and utility networks with minimal disruption, ensuring the city's vital arteries are flawlessly laid. AI inspection robots meticulously scan every newly installed utility network and structural element, ensuring absolute perfection and adherence to stringent safety standards. Dramatic time lapses reveal entire districts and skyscrapers rising rapidly from empty landscapes, a breathtaking demonstration of coordinated robotic power and efficiency. This integrated approach delivers cities built faster, safer, and with unparalleled quality, setting a new benchmark for urban development globally. The future of construction is here, where every element is precisely crafted by intelligent machines. This holistic approach minimizes waste, optimizes resources, and creates sustainable, resilient urban environments designed for generations to thrive in. As we look ahead, the final question emerges. Will the cities of tomorrow be built almost entirely by intelligent machines, orchestrated by AI? Future innovations envision fully autonomous construction ecosystems, where every phase, from design to demolition. Imagine self-healing materials that detect and repair damage autonomously, extending the lifespan of our infrastructure far beyond traditional limits.
Humanoid construction robots, with their versatile dexterity, will tackle tasks requiring fine motor skills and complex manipulation.
Swarm robotics will enable self-organizing construction, where thousands of small robots collaborate to build massive structures, adapting to challenges in real time. From Earth to space, AI-managed megaprojects will extend humanity's reach, building lunar base.
This future is not just about technology. It's about reimagining our world, building sustainable, resilient.
AI will orchestrate vast construction efforts, managing supply chains, logistics, and labor. Sustainable construction practices will become the norm, with AI guiding the use of recycled materials and energy-efficient designs, creating truly green cities. The integration of renewable energy systems, like solar and wind, will be seamlessly incorporated into every structure. This era promises not just taller buildings, but smarter, more resilient communities designed to adapt and evolve with the needs of their inhabitants.
All stations, go for final system pressure test.
Execute command sequence Alpha. Smart infrastructure, from self-repairing roads to intelligent traffic systems, will be intrinsically linked, creating seamless, responsive urban environments for all. Architectural marvels, once confined to imagination, will become reality, with AI-driven design tools pushing the boundaries of aesthetics and structural possibility. The boundaries of will extend to underwater cities and floating structures. Robots, built by distance. Remote and challenging environments, previously inaccessible, will become sites for advanced construction. Robots designed for extreme conditions will erect structures in the harshest climates, from scorching deserts to freezing tundras, expanding human presence globally. Infrastructure maintenance will be proactive and autonomous, with robots continuously inspecting and repairing vital systems, ensuring uninterrupted service for all citizens.
The circular economy will thrive as robots dismantle old structural materials for new builds.
Urban planners will wield unparalleled data, enabling them to design and manage cities with precision, responding to demographic shifts and environmental challenges proactively.
Adaptive architecture, where buildings can reconfigure their layouts or functions, will become a reality, responding dynamically to the changing needs of inhabitants.
IO-integrated materials will monitor structural health and environmental factors, ensuring buildings are not only strong but also contribute positively to the ecosystem.
Biopting will enable the creation of organic architectural components, blending natural forms with engineered precision. Floating cities and submerged habitats will emerge, constructed and maintained by specialized robotic fleets, offering new frontiers for human settlement and exploration. Integrated autonomous public transport systems will seamlessly connect every corner of the smart city, reducing traffic and carbon emissions, enhancing urban living. Even urban green spaces will be intelligently designed and maintained, optimizing biodiversity and environmental benefits, creating healthier, more livable cities. Service robots will seamlessly integrate into smart buildings, performing tasks from delivery to maintenance, enhancing convenience and efficiency for residents and businesses. 3, 2, 1, 0.
AI-powered security systems will proactively monitor urban environments, ensuring the safety and well-being of citizens.
The heart of these future cities lies in vast data centers, processing immense information from digital twins, optimizing every aspect of urban life.
Ultimately, a master AI will oversee the entire urban fabric, self-learning and adapting, continuously enhancing the quality of life for all.
Homes will be built with unprecedented efficiency and personalized to individual needs, offering intelligent living spaces that anticipate and respond to human desires.
Vertical farms and green spaces integrated into every building will provide fresh produce and clean air, fostering a harmonious balance between nature and urban living.
The future of construction is not just about building bigger, but building smarter, greener, and more harmoniously with our planet, for a brighter tomorrow. Every surface, every material, every system will be infused with intelligence, transforming static structures into dynamic, responsive environments that serve human needs. This powerful vision of a glowing, futuristic metropolis, born from human ingenuity and robotic precision. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the future of construction.